Okay guys, today pag-uusapan natin itong si Bloom, no? So meron ditong mga questions, feedback, meron din ditong confusion doon sa strategy ng airdrop distribution. So discuss natin yan dito sa video natin today. May mga disappointed din dito. Sa end ko din, I've been confused ba't ganon yung mga naging results, ba't ganon yung leaderboard nila, yung style ng distribution as well as yung allocation guys. So pag-uusapan natin yan dito sa video natin today. Pero bago tayo dito magsimula, kung hindi nyo pa na-like itong video na ito, please like this video first, subscribe nyo yung YouTube channel natin, turn all the bell icon para ma-notify kayo dito sa mga updates natin na ginagawa sa ating YouTube channel guys, no? So punta muna tayo dito sa ating app kay Bloom. Ayun, so dito guys, may mga confused dito especially sa strategy ng token generation event nila as well as doon sa burning mechanism, no? Kasi as per checking dito, puntahan muna natin itong eligibility criteria natin dito as well as yung daily reward and yung burning mechanism nga guys, no? So dami dito ma-disappointed. They mention yung potentially a dust airdrop ito kasi ang tagal din nito guys, no? Tagal nagkaroon ng delay as well as nagkaroon ng pinaka-results and yung kanilang token generation event na-delay and they get this kind of amount pero hindi natin alam kung paano maging probability price guys. Now again, yung airdrop I keep mentioning na it's purely speculative and hindi siya totally guaranteed guys, no? And ito yung mga naging result ng airdrop. It takes over a year and nagkaroon siya ng token generation event June. Pero it depends pa rin guys, as mentioned, it's not guaranteed yung airdrop and it's purely speculative, no? And today nga guys, 10 AM UTC if I'm not mistaken, 6 PM Manila time. So magkakaroon ng token generation event, it will be listed. May confuse lang dito guys sa yan dito kung paano mag-work yung distribution, no? So meron nakalagay dito, claim starts on TGA day, you can instantly claim nung 30% na Bloom airdrop mo, and next one, earn more every day, the remaining part unlocks daily in equal parts, tapos claim anytime but the rest of Bloom left after your claim gets burned, reducing total supply. So dito sa 180-day earning period, you decide when to claim to get the most of your airdrop. So it depends pala. I think merong option, hindi pa kasi open yung claiming. Hindi ko rin alam kung kailan nila bubuksan, pero token generation event nila is today, no? 27th of June, 6 PM Philippine time, 10 AM UTC. So may examples dito with different claim timings, no? You can claim only once but you decide when to do it. So as mentioned dito, claim during token generation event. May example dito na if meron kang total 10 allocation, since 30% yung ma-unlock, you get 3 Bloom. The rest nung 7 Bloom will be burned, no? So ito yung isa sa mga, ito personal take ko lang naman ito guys, no? You can comment kung ano yung sa tingin nyo dito. Ang mangyayari dito guys, like for example, meron akong allocation na 10 in total guys, in total 10. Pero during token generation event, ang makiklaim ko lang is 3 since 30% yung ma-unlock. So if i-claim ko yan during token generation event, makiklaim ko yung 3 pero yung the rest, yung 7 ay mababurn, no? So hindi, yun na yung pinaka-allocation mo, yung 3 na Bloom. So yun yung pagkakaintindi ko dito guys, just correct me if I'm wrong. And the next one dito, meron pang option, no? So like for example, yung pag-claim doon sa day 30 naman, if ever na i-claim mo siya day 30 na, like for example, hindi mo na-claim yung like 3 Bloom, and then you decide na sa day 30 mo na siya i-claim. Ito example lang naman, if you claim on day 30, you get 4.17 Bloom, no? The rest nung 5.83 will get burned. So if day 30 ka magki-claim, makukuha mo yung like 4.710. And then if decided ka na i-claim mo siya day 30, mababurn yung remaining guys, no. So yun, ganun siya sa tingin ko nag-work, no. Other option dito guys is to claim on day 180. So you get nung full allocation mo, no. So yeah, it depends ito guys sa inyo pa rin. Kasi itong tatlong option na ito ay it depends sa part ninyo, no. Pero kung ako tatanungin guys, if sa end ko, maybe i-claim ko na lang yung during TG. But it depends naman yan guys, mayroong 3 option dito. If gusto mo i-claim full amount, you can choose nung day 180, no, na kung saan you can get nung 10 bloom. Hindi ko lang gets yung earn more every day na option nila dito, na kung saan the remaining part unlocks daily in equal parts. Pero ito kasi yung binigay na option or examples nila dito with different claim timings, no. So yun yung isa sa pagkakaintindi ko dito kay Bloom Airdrop. Maraming mga disappointed, pero hindi natin alam kung magkano yung magiging presyo during token generation event. Wala din silang binigay dito na update guys, no, kung anong oras yung claiming today, kasi dapat token generation event dapat mag-unlock yan. So ganyan yung based from my experience, no, kung ano yung process during token generation event. So antayin na lang natin, and kung meron kayo mga questions dito, ano yung sa tingin nyo dito sa update nitong Bloom Airdrop, yun, sa mga nagtatanong, hope I acknowledge your questions dito. If ever man na mag-unlock yung claiming, I'll do some steps na lang or guide dito kung papaano siya i-convert, no. So yun lang guys, hope you get some insights, updates dito sa video natin today. Kung meron kayo mga questions, feel free to comment lang sa comment section ng video na ito. Maraming salamat ulit sa panunood. Ingat tayong lahat. Peace out. Bye for now.